Today I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot with Mailchimp using Zapier. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automatically sync your HubSpot contacts with your Mailchimp email lists, saving you hours of manual data entry and ensuring your marketing campaigns always reach the right people. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to Zapier.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using an account that has access to both your HubSpot and Mailchimp integrations, as this will make the connection process much smoother. After logging in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. Here, look for the button labeled Zap and click on it. This is where you'll begin building your automation. The interface will guide you through setting up the connection between your two apps step by step. Now click on the trigger button. A trigger is essentially the event that starts your automation. In the search bar that appears, type in HubSpot and select it from the results. HubSpot will serve as the starting point for this workflow, meaning any new activity here will kick off the process. Next, you'll need to choose a trigger event. For this tutorial, select New Contact. This means that every time a new contact is added to your HubSpot account, the automation will activate. This is particularly powerful for keeping your email lists current without any manual effort. After selecting your trigger event, click Sign In to authorize your HubSpot account. Zapier needs permission to access your HubSpot data, so follow the prompts to complete the authorization process. Once that's done, select your HubSpot account from the drop-down menu and click Continue. Now it's time to test the trigger. Click Test Trigger to verify that Zapier can successfully pull data from your HubSpot account. This step ensures everything is connected properly before you move forward. Once the test completes successfully, click Continue. Give it a moment if the page needs to load or fetch sample data. With your trigger set up, it's time to configure the action. Click the Action button and search for Mailchimp in the App Selection menu. Select Mailchimp as your action app. This is where your HubSpot contact data will be sent. Choose an action event like Add or Update Subscriber and click Continue. This action tells Zapier to either add a new subscriber to your Mailchimp list or update their information if they already exist, which helps prevent duplicate entries. Just like before, you'll need to authorize your Mailchimp account. Click Sign In and when prompted, click Allow to grant Zapier access to your Mailchimp data. This permission allows Zapier to create or update subscribers on your behalf. Now comes the mapping stage. Select your Mailchimp audience or list from the drop-down menu. This is the specific email list where your HubSpot contacts will be added. Then map the fields from HubSpot to Mailchimp. For example, match the email field from HubSpot to the email field in Mailchimp. This ensures the right data goes to the right place. After mapping your fields, click Test Action to verify everything works correctly. If you don't have test data available, you can click Skip Test and move forward. Once you're satisfied, click Continue. Finally, you're ready to activate your Zap. Click Publish Zap and toggle the switch to On. Your automation is now live and will automatically sync new HubSpot contacts to your Mailchimp list. You've now created a seamless connection between HubSpot and Mailchimp that runs on autopilot. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.